Alright guys, sometimes you need to delete your table, not column, your table. How you can delete it? Just and easy, let's see it. MySQL -h localhost -u root -b. Let's use our database example. Now we are inside our database. Let's see our data into our table. Select all the things from my customer table. We have 4 columns and I want to delete the whole table. How you can delete it? You can write it drop table, your table name customer. Okay, now I don't have table anymore. Let's see. Select all the things from customer table. Look, we don't have table anymore. Let's see it. You can go to here. Look, we have example database. If we go inside the example database, we don't have any table.